What's going on, everybody? We're gonna do another food review. Popeyes. They got their new fried pickles, which I don't know. I think they're new, but I know this is new. The pickle sandwich. Pickle glaze sandwich. I don't know, the glaze is brown in the pictures, so I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna be any good. We're gonna try these pickles real quick. It's got like a little spiciness to it. The breading. It's just like your normal everyday fried pickle. Hard to say. Definitely tell there's a Cajunness to it. They're good. I give these like an 8 out of 10. I'm showing you my food. Pickle glaze chicken. All right. Some chicken hanging off. So if you can see, the pickle glaze is brown. So I'm guessing, oh, it smells like pickles. I remember when KFC had their pickle chicken. Loved it. Been begging them to bring it back. Popeyes brought a pickle chicken. Let's see how they mash up. And we're gonna take it in for this first bite where all this nice, and we should do this part. I've already seen it. Oh, right there. We should do that bite right there. All right. Let's go. That is very good. Okay, Popeyes. So it's pickle. Very pickly. You got the pickle in there, so you got the dill in the Cajun. It is literally Cajun sauce. I have no words. This is so good. Let me get that pickle right there. I like this. I'm gonna order. They better. This needs to stay. Okay, it got me stuttering. Stutter Stanley. Yeah. Well, that's it for this food review. Have a good day.